Yeah, your mic's good. Your mic is good.
Yeah, I don't know why on my Mac it doesn't let me share like an application. It only lets me share like the one screen.
I also have it on my Mac. I don't know. It's probably a Discord issue that doesn't work properly.
Mm.
I'm thinking what to discuss here, really, because the only way I see it is if we're gonna pull back and we actually basically just did the last hourly close. We
I
could
think
retest
yeah.
94.8, but we front run that, so we should just keep going up here, or just drop.
I think that was where we bounced at 90, mid 95s looks good. Otherwise, yeah, if we don't bounce here soon, there's probably a good chance of a decent pullback to sub 94 for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, we
Yeah.
had ETH scam pump this morning, which was like it was pretty fucking bizarre, was it not?
Yeah, it was super strange. It was like a
Yeah.
2 hour candle or an hourly candle, and it just ripped 10%, and then it full retraced basically. Not
Like I
sure
was looking
what
at
to think. Sorry, go on.
yeah, I was looking at ETH this morning. In general, I think ETH is we're getting close to being able to have conviction in buying ETH and like having a good leg up, but I didn't expect it to happen like within 15 minutes of me saying that.
Of you tweeting. I saw
I
that
was
and
like,
then I
I
looked
was
at ETH.
yeah, I was like bull tweeting ETH BTC, and then shit bottomed super hard, but I didn't expect that to happen.
You probably
Yeah,
finally finished filling, yeah?
no, like I didn't even. That's what I'm saying. I looked at the chart and I started talking about ETH BTC. I wrote up a bit of a paragraph on like ETH and saying I was close to the reversal, and then within the 5-10 minutes, I went to the ETH chart to look at a place to start scaling in. It like scam pumped 8%
Mm-hmm.
or something.
Yeah.
So I have limits at 3K. I think anything under 3K now seems like a really good buy opportunity for it.
Yeah, but if it traps below 3K now, that's a good buy.
Yeah.
But it held 3K fairly well, all things considered. Like that's a massive compression we had. Now we need to hold 3.2 though. So let's see what happens when we get there.
Mm. Yeah, like it is a big area here for it to get above. I don't think buying into this region on ETH is necessarily a good idea. I mean, dominance still looks pretty strong. It's a bit. It was just it was a super weird move. It came out of the blue, really.
Yeah. I wonder what JD thinks. Think he's hopping on in 2 secs. He messaged me. Because I don't know what to think of this ETH move. Was it like some ETF buying or was it just the scam pump? Because I mean, Sol also scam pumped. Well, not scam pumped. We got the ETF announcement, then we fully retraced 30 minutes ago, and now we're back on the uptrend.
Hmm.
Yo yo.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yo.
Hmm.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Is this your first stream?
What? First stream back here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. What do you think of that ETH move today?
I think it was, I don't know, like, I think a lot of it came from Kobe bull posting on Twitter. But I think, like,
Yeah.
it was kind of, what he said kind of makes sense that ETH just gets cheaper the higher that Bitcoin pumps. And people will just look
Mm.
to chase it.
I think it's inevitable. Like you think the playbook that they're running on BTC eventually goes to ETH as well, right? And so if the Sol ETF plays out or not.
Yeah, I think, like, you shouldn't try to get fancy with it and trade, like, ETH BTC or, like, Sol BTC or try and outperform if you just hold all three, you're gonna do well in the cycle.
True.
I wonder if it's gonna full retrace this.
Yeah, I was doing some digging on ETH. Like, it can definitely go 5k plus a cycle easily, like into the eights, maybe double digits, like top double digits, but or well, not double digits, but 10k.
I hope the daily closes below 3.2k to really fuck with everyone. And then back to 2.8. What coins do you hold in spot? For me it's mainly Sol, Render, and what else? Jupiter. I think that's my biggest allocation right now.
I thought Billy was your biggest bag.
I don't know about JD and Pat.
Bonk, Pepe, Doge, pretty much, and Sol. I got.
Bommel asked me about
Sol.
Cetus. For me, Cetus is starting to look good again. We basically took out all these lows we made last week on the move up, like these lows, where we retested this H4/H12 demand. I deviated a little bit below, and now we seem to be bottoming. So as long as these lows hold, we should at least go to 358. Especially with Sui also not
That's that
looking
Sube you're talking about,
like
right?
shit again. Could move up nicely. Yeah, we don't. Well, I also still hold Billy, of course, but we don't talk about that.
It got a decent move, no, recently. And
Are you guys still
Lawrence
here,
not
or
here
am
or
I just
something?
I
monologuing?
swear Impulse can't hear us.
Yeah,
Or did my
definitely.
sound disconnect?
Yeah, he can't hear us.
Oh, okay, I can hear you now.
Oh my days. This guy, it always baffles me that this guy literally works with sound and music and his audio never works. It's
That's
crazy.
a Discord. That's a Discord issue.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Oh, it's back at 41 mil market cap. Damn, it went to 100 mil. You should have sold, bro.
Yeah, I did. I did actually.
Oh, so you dumped on us.
Yeah, I did. You guys are out already. Don't gaslight me.
No, we're not. We're not. It's strange how close we're running the 2021 end of 2020 playbook again, following like summer consolidation and break on BTC.
We were basically
Like, if there's
repeating
any-
last year as well.
Yeah. Just like if we can get sub 3k ETH into 2700, I think that's like a massive steal. That should be a bottom for it, realistically. Like anything sub 3k at this point should be a good buy.
I low-key think the ETH move shouldn't retrace. I think it'll look really bad if it does. If it just full on bots, like I think just
That's what I'm
fucking
saying. If
delete
it
it off your
bars,
watch
it's probably
list.
gonna nuke. It's gonna nuke the lows for sure.
Yeah, like
Which
it
is where I
should
have my
hold
bids.
above 3,200. Like
Sold
with
nearly
ETH,
250
either
now.
like it decides to move now, catch up to BTC, and that kind of basically signals that the BTC move's done. Bitcoin dominance is topped. ETH's gonna run, and Alts is gonna run, and we're gonna basically speed run it in the next couple of months. Or if ETH decides to retrace and nuke again, then you know Bitcoin's still got another leg in it, like to 110 or 120k. And after that, it's probably when you get the ETH move.
Yeah, I mean, like 2021 though, even after BTCD topped, like BTC still rallied, didn't it? It still rallied like what?
But
It rallied another 125% after BTCD topped last cycle. So yeah, probably see a similar thing, really, into like 140s on BTC. That's off the BTCD top.
You have some reverb on your mic, Pat. Or is it me? For Wave Alien, I think we're done here with our move downwards. Could trap here below 316 and move upwards from here on out. Maybe a little bit more chop, depending on what the rest of the market does. Like if each shows strength here, like JD mentions, then alt should also move up, logically speaking. So that lines up with being bottomed here as well.
I don't know
Here's
if you lot
my
saw, but there was that ETH BTC maxi that got licked at the bottom of ETH BTC for 7 mil. And that was like deep, like literally deep bottom. I'll post this tweet in the chat.
When was that?
Like literally today morning, he got licked. Or like it was yesterday, but he got licked at 0.032 on ETH BTC for 7 million.
Oh no.
And that was literally like within a 1 or 2% of the bottom.
Crazy conviction. Didn't pay
Bro,
off,
like if
though.
you can scroll up all the way like in the thread, he was longing it for the past 9 months. Like he longed at like fucking 0.045 or some shit.
March. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Higher than that, man. Yeah, like 5.7. He was
Yeah,
5.5.
it's ridiculous where he longed it, and he just kept adding on the way down. So if it is gonna bottom, it'll be bottoming on his grave.
And the chart still looks like this, man. Nuts. That's
I
weekly
was
chart.
looking at it this morning, and for the first time, probably 6 months, and I actually thought there was potential for it to be close to the bottom, like around here, from like here to just under 0.3.
Yeah.
But obviously, again, it's basically highly it's just inverse to BTCD, right? Which at the moment BTCD strength is not slowing down, so it's pretty pointless trying to time a BTCD an ETH BTC bottom when BTCD is just like super strong, really. Because
Yeah,
as
I
long as
think-
this is going to go up, ETH BTC ain't going to perform. So, but ETH can go up even with ETH BTC trading down,
Yeah.
So I guess that's what, like JD was saying, there's no point necessarily trying to time a ETH BTC bottom. Just like buy ETH and BTC, and you will still perform, right?
Yeah. Like right now, like I don't hold any stables. I just have my stables and like my collateral is just in Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol. And I think I've got 40% Sol, like 33% ETH, and then the rest in BTC now. I changed some of my BTC out for Sol and the ETF news. But as long as you hold those three as like your collateral for trading, you should be fine. You shouldn't really miss out on any of the moves. And holding USDT at this point, you're just basically shorting crypto. Like if you're on Binance or Bybit, you can use Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol as your collateral for trading.
On Binance.
Yeah, so on Binance you need to enable I think it's called portfolio margin mode. So you just deposit. Well, you can't keep Sol on collateral for Binance. You can only keep Bitcoin, ETH, BNB, USDT, and USDC. So I just have Bitcoin and ETH for my Binance account, and then on my Bybit, you can literally use anything as collateral. So I don't have like any USDT. If I want to buy like another alt, I'll just sell my Bitcoin, ETH, or Sol stack. And any profits that I make from futures, I just convert it straight into Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol, and that way you can just accumulate those three majors throughout the cycle.
Yeah, I mean that makes sense. You just rotate out of them much further down the line.
Yeah.
I think we get one more push on BTCD plus stables dominance, and then we top, and then alts go ballistic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Give
think
it to-
whatever
give it
flush
to
you
me.
get on Bitcoin, and alts, if they capitulate, you just long alts. I have a feeling with the next flush you get, Bitcoin will underperform on the bounce up, and alts will go ballistic.
I mean, yeah, for sure. Like realistically here, like what has, you know, I don't know if you guys have like price targets, but my price target of BTC for the cycle is around the 140 to 170 mark, which is like 50% more upside. So, you know, realistically, alts are going to heavily outperform over the next few months. If BTC is only going to cap at like mid 100s.
Yeah, I mean, you saw it even today, right? Like Bitcoin dominance went down what, like 1%, and you saw alts like OP, ARB, go move 30% intraday. So imagine if Bitcoin dominance goes from 60% back down to 50%, alts are gonna 3 to 4x easily, and you'll get 20% daily moves on them for like a 2-3 week straight, and you will feel sick.
My body
it's
is
gonna
ready.
It's gonna be nuts. I was thinking about it today. Like, all these memes have ran to $1 billion fucking market cap with BTCD at 66% right now, at 61% or something right now. Imagine if it breaks down.
Yeah, like Pepe's at fucking 10 billion already, and Bitcoin dominance is looking like that. So like, it's gonna go to like 20-30 billion easily at one point in this cycle.
Yeah, easily. What else do we have? I haven't looked at alts today. I just know OP ripped like 30%.
Yeah, it's mainly the ETH beta coins that moved.
Yeah.
I'm ready to
I
get
was
hurt
just mostly
again.
looking at ETH all morning, to be honest. I think I'm ready to start. Like, if I don't get my 3K fills, I'll probably have to chase, which I'm fine with, but I'll buy above like 3,500. Most likely, 3,500 is a massive area for it. But like, yeah, ETH and Sol basically priorities now. For the next like month or so, I reckon. Do you reckon these
Yeah.
two are like? Do you reckon they're gonna run together? I can't.
Sol and ETH?
Yeah, like I think
I
there'll be a
don't
point
know.
where they do run together.
No.
I think Sol
You
will
don't think
only
so?
accelerate once the ETF, like the developments around it pick up a lot. So I think the reason why we didn't get like a huge move from the ETF news today was because the issuers that are filing for it, they aren't BlackRock basically. So as soon as BlackRock files for one, I think Sol will do like a 10% to 20% intraday candle. But right now it's only like Bitwise and all the other shitty ETF providers that have filed for one. Like Canary Funds, 21 shares, Bitwise, like no one really gives a shit about them. But as soon as BlackRock files for it, Sol will pump like crazy.
You reckon they're researching it more before they're announcing it, or what?
In
Would be
my
the
head, I
reason?
think they want to push their Ethereum product much more. They haven't really started marketing for it, and I think their priority is getting staking allowed in the ETF. So right now, like I think one of the main reasons why the ETH ETFs are underperforming is because you're not allowed to stake. So there's no real point of buying the ETF product if you can't earn the yield from staking ETH. But once that's allowed, which I think will be allowed in a Trump regime in like January, once they filed that, got that approved, they'll pivot to focusing on getting a Sol one.
When's the inauguration? Like mid-Jan.
Mid-Jan, yeah, I believe.
Jan 20th. Yeah, Jan 20th.
So we're just gonna pump into that realistically, aren't we?
Yeah, I think we're gonna sell off like on the day, like the week before and the week
Yeah.
after, and then either that's like the generational top, or we sell off for a bit and then we rally again.
You would probably also get some New Year's fuckery, right? During Christmas. We always sell off as well.
Oh yeah, I swear Thanksgiving is like next week, and we always sell off at Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
It's always 4% off all-time high.
Surely it pushes to all-time high, no? Or is it gonna tease us?
Double top.
Double
It's
top.
over. Smack it back down, matey.
I'm back to $8.
Shock.
That's
the Brits
crazy,
get on
isn't it?
screen and talk about double tops.
That's actually crazy. What was the low? Yeah, $8. Holy fuck. Thanks, FTX.
Why is everyone in the chat like bare scared to ask any questions?
Yeah, why are you
Oh,
guys so
sure.
silent? Are you scared?
Yeah. Cheers, Dev. Where's Rookie? Is he scaffing? Let me see.
I'd
who's in
like
the
to meet Ricky in person, man. I'd like to see what he like, what he's actually like. There's no scaffer that spends all their days on Discord other than Ricky. That's for sure. He's a one of a kind.
Tex has met him, innit? Oh, it's Ricky not mod. Just taking it in. Oh, no, Diddy. I hit a 5x on Diddy yesterday. No Diddy. I bought Diddy and I bought Diddy's baby oil. And they both went to like Diddy went to like 8 mil and Diddy's baby oil went to like 3 mil.
I was listening to Mo Money, Mo Problems by Biggie yesterday on SoundCloud, and all the comments is just like literally the whole song is just people commenting, "Did he oil me up?"
What's Render doing? Render really deviated above this big resistance and got slammed back down.
I haven't looked at too many alts today apart from ETH ones.
Chill guy get listed.
Yeah, on Bybit.
Yeah, on Bybit.
Fucking hell. Can't believe I
That's a
sent you that
crazy
TikTok at
turnaround.
10 mil.
Yeah. Simply not locked in enough.
Yeah,
Bro,
I
I
missed it
was
as well.
sending the TikToks of the fucking meme to like all my boys at like it was like 5-6 mil. I didn't bother to buy it.
Gonna make it, man.
Yeah, man. Forever trapped.
RDNT, I mean, like, this is like super down.
Oh wow.
But like the 3-day, if it can get back above here, it's probably worth a bid. Like the 3-day kind of looks nice, and the weekly. Just like trying to buy these coins down here is, it's done fuck all year. So my mindset is like, why is it going to be different? But that's a pretty good ARB beta if ARB starts running, right?
We're doing the R beta thing again.
Yep, we're definitely topped, aren't we? What P&L card is that? It's a nice long Dave.
It's Teal Street. I had to look for a minute as well. I thought it was a short.
Yeah, but like Den, what's Den? What is that?
I think that's his his graphic. I think it's just custom.
Yeah, nice trade. What's
So
Sui
then it's
doing
the section on
today?
WG for Pokey. Oh, someone banned Dev. Northern cunts.
Where is he from?
Not Nottingham. What's the other place beginning with N? Newcastle.
Newcastle. He's a Geordie.
He's not actually from Newcastle as well. He's like 20 minutes away from it. He's just in some random sticks.
Selling chairs.
Yeah, something like that. 6'4" as well, lanky
He tried
prick.
to get my address. He tried to sell me a chair and get my address. So dodgy, man. Everyone's got my address. I fucking flashed my IP on stream the other day.
Yeah, thanks for that. I'll see you in a minute.
I edited it out of the recording, luckily. All right, let's take a look at some alts, I guess.
Yeah, I'm looking at the Sui. I mean, it can basically clear everything out. I would just bid this demand zone at front run, personally. And if that doesn't hold, you're just bidding 234 on a very big flood, but I doubt it gets there. It's so strong.
Yeah, the network was down today or something I saw, right?
Yeah.
And it basically didn't even budge.
Stop producing blocks. It
Good
is the new
project.
soul, you know, in some way.
So what you're saying is that this is going to $250?
No.
All right.
I don't think so.
Your Discord is going mad. Can you go on
Is it mine
Do
or
not
impulse?
disturb?
I keep hearing that.
It's
Nah,
mine,
it's impulse.
probably.
How do you live
Wait,
with that, man?
Let me
Yeah,
mute it.
that noise is so jarring, bro. I hate it so much.
Oh no, I can't mute it because then I'll mute you guys. You can
Go on
just
Do
mute
Not
my stream.
Disturb.
That
Oh, really?
and the Aga noise fucking drove me insane, bro.
The what?
Aga. AGGR, how you pronounce it.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, here, let me fix it. Okay, it's fixed.
Man, the
Oh, Ricky's
Bitcoin
there.
5 minute looks like it wants to leg up again.
Oh, Ricky, are you on your break from scaffing?
There he is. Yeah, BTC is just going to leg up
BTC
again.
5 minute looks decent here, yeah.
Yeah, cold. We're trading the 5-minute chart.
Yeah. What else is there to do? This thing is just going up only.
Yeah,
It's
100
the only way you can get an entry on it is fucking the 5 minute chart. I
Yeah,
swear.
97. So it should just go.
I was a fucking retard waiting for it to keep losing 93.5, but just kept bouncing it off, and Tex made 700 racks from longing it, and I was just waiting for it to deviate.
I didn't even reply to his message this morning. I was like, this fucking guy. How dare he?
At least I'm spot long.
But long.
I'm out here starving. Getting stopped on peanut bottom.
That was retarded.
That was retarded, you have to admit.
You, you actually lost your shit and started attacking Elon on Twitter. Like any fucking keyboard warrior.
I did. I said, that's it, I'm signing off for the weekend, and I came back 2 hours later.
Just like me closing Whiff and Pepe before they both got listed on Coinbase the night before and they ripped 50%. That was at least like a 500k fumble from me.
Goat is up pretty decent today. I was looking last night. I kind of wanted to buy it like 0.8, but
Yeah, I think it should get a fucking, what's it called? A CB listing, considering fucking, what's his name? Oh, Impulse, what's his name? Anderson, whatever that guy's name is, the Horowitz guy.
A16Z.
Yeah, him.
Yeah.
Like, they're the biggest investor in coin, so like, how can they not get a fucking GOAT listing?
I think you bid $1 if it comes.
Bid what?
$1 on gold.
Oh, yeah. And also all the TikTok memes kind of died apart from Chill Guy, so we should get rotation back into the AI memes. Like
my
Fartcoin.
Bibble was still in profit.
That
What?
meta lasted a good
My
24
Bibble,
hours.
bro.
Bibble.
Bibble, bro. What?
Fuck it, man.
I'm so lost.
I just looked at it's fucking 43k market cap. What do you mean it's in profit?
I bought it. I bought it at 25.
You fucking launched a coin, you prick.
I'm all in Bibble.
Oh. How can you jump on stream and fucking show this?
Nah, I'm not sure. I posted it on Twitter. I didn't post it in on chain because I knew people would hate, man. It's scary, man. I ain't posting a 40 mil coin and on chain channel.
You fucking
Those
probably own,
people,
like,
those people
8%
are
of the supply.
starving in there.
They ask for a new coin every 5 seconds. It's crazy.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not posting any like low cap on chain coins in on chain. Like, it's scary, man.
What's this question? I've seen L3 if you're using Tree of Alpha. What's the use case for it?
Yeah,
I mean, I just use it. I just use it to get shards in the Discord. That's pretty much it.
Ricky's picture. Yeah, man. You just use it for you can timestamp on it, so you can timestamp things to it, and also just if you want to check a chart quickly, you can just use it. Like you can not hotkey. What's the word? You can abbreviate things.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Was it from you? No, yeah, I thought it was from me.
Do you guys say that the meme coin top is soon near? No.
No, ignore
Fuck.
Income Shark. He's a fucking idiot.
Man, memes are literally going to run the cycle. They will continue to run the cycle. Like, I think a lot of people don't accept that's just like going to be the new paradigm in the cycle, and like, unfortunately, that's the way it's going to be. Memes are just going to run super hard.
Yeah.
Like, the times of memes pumping being a top signal is long in the past now.
It's actually a
Like, that
risk on
used to-
signal.
Yeah, like last cycle when memes were pumping, it was always when Doge and Shib and stuff started pumping last cycle, it was always a time we were getting close to a top. But it's the opposite now. Like memes are literally leading the move every time.
It's similar
Have
to
to
Sol last
submit.
cycle.
Yeah.
Last cycle, Sol was leading every bounce.
What is that GIF that Rookie posted, bro? It's actually chronically on Discord.
That's what I'm saying. He doesn't give scaffolder vibes. He should be down the
Hey.
pub, man, not sat on Discord sending gifs.
Yeah, exactly. He's such a Discord mod, man.
Thursday. What else do we got? We're just gonna chop our Sol grinds up, yeah. And Whiff goes to $4.
I hate Whiff, man. Pepe and Bonk, so much better, in my opinion.
I've never traded Pepe properly for some reason. I don't know.
That's why you're poor, mate.
Yeah, that's true.
Just don't find Whiff funny, to be honest. She has a fucking hat.
With unit buys is really that could be very true. Pepe's probably a way better pick. I have
Pepe,
them with me.
it's like the meme of crypto, man. Like, I started using that shit like with my mates. I'm not gonna send a dog with hat to my mates, but I'll send a frog.
That's true.
The T Marsh knows.
Who the fuck dropped the pump fund address? Oh my days. Let me look this up. I bet it's like a 16k market cap share.
Yeah, let's have a look.
It's
Oh,
true,
that's
man.
not real.
The average retail mindset is that they'll buy something that's as cheap as possible because what if that coin goes to $1, right?
Oh, it's 8.7 mil. That's all right. Yeah, I've seen Aurora Degen.
There's like an AI fucking girlfriend chatbot.
There's
Yeah.
another one I looked up today. Let me find it. Someone showed it to me, a normie friend.
Bombo
Ava.
Griffin went up 6x.
Find it.
We're printing.
It was like 50 mil market cap.
Like someone showed me the Chinese Just a Chill guy.
Did it rip?
Let me look.
What was it called?
It's something racist. I don't want to say it in case someone clips me saying the word.
I think I know
I
what
mean,
it is.
this-
I don't even have to. You don't even have to say it.
This could be bottom tier, Degen.
Luna Virtuals was what someone was sending me. It's like an AI chatbot. It went to 250 mil market cap. It's down to 50 mil now. Jesus. What was the other one? AI XBT. 61. Oh my days! This thing has been up only.
What thing?
This. Let me share it in the chat. Fuck. It's a base. It's a
Oh
base
yeah,
AI coin.
it's leading like base eco actually. It's the one coin that everyone tells me to buy if you think base
Yeah,
eco
this-
is gonna pop.
I was on the phone to one of my friends yesterday. He was shilling me this.
Interesting. Was it leaving?
Yeah.
He told me last week, you should come to base, man. Everyone's on Sol. It's so boring, man. Sol's it's for normies, Everyone's gonna start using base. I'm like, nah, man, I'm
Yeah,
good.
that's what he's
Thanks.
telling me.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's funny.
Along some BTC here.
What, the 5 minute chart?
Yeah,
Yeah. Told you.
Sol's gonna break all-time high today.
like 1.4% stock.
Oh shit, they're pumping Eigen. Fucking shilled that $3 and got raped.
Drop the R word. Strong.
Did you buy the AI agent Bommel? Like the pre-sale thing? You should, by the way. I did. There's only 1,000.
I just missed the message. Peanut bottom. Peanut, if it gets back above 1.5, that looks good. I don't know about
I can't
long in
believe
it here,
people
but
pump that
1.5.
shit. I swear, like the guy who owns the squirrel, like the squirrel was his pet. It's like a gay OnlyFans creator. Or am I bugging?
Nonce. I don't know. I know enough. I missed that whole
Yeah, exactly. He's
Fred
OnlyFans.
and
Like he literally
Peanut
had his
thing. I
cock
missed it all
on his feed.
my days.
Yeah, Bert looks finished.
So
to
what
me,
you're
to be
saying is
honest.
that Peanut is a noncy coin.
It's just you're supporting the guy who posts his cock on Twitter, mate.
What if he wants to?
More reason to long it.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
You not gonna say what I want to say.
Peanut is pretty good back above 1.5.
Yeah, I just remembered what you said in our private chat. Man want to bomb, let them bomb.
It's true. If man want to bum, let them bum.
Oh my days.
I told my mum I was going on a meeting. She's probably hearing me talking about this shit.
I told my Marge the exact same thing. She always gets me. It's like, oh, why are you always swearing in your meetings? She's like, your boss does not get annoyed about that. I'm like, oh, if you knew.
What do you mean careful?
Ricky's probably fucking recording what we're saying and then gonna post it on Twitter. Hey, do you enter any giveaways today, Ricky?
Can't wait to long BTC at the top.
It's gonna nuke because you longed it, and also are gonna rip.
Now the
looks good, to
the
be
5
fair.
and 15 minute looks decent. Like realistically, this setup looks solid. It should leg up
Yeah.
here if anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at thing. MicroStrategy. It's bounced. It's like retraced half its dump. We're basically just beta to MicroStrategy. Like the 5 minute shots are identical.
Someone sent the weekly chart of MicroStrategy this morning. It was like this literally looks like a TikTok pump fund shitter, and it literally does on the weekly. It's insane.
I guess Sailor is good at CTOing his own coin.
He's actually him, man.
Who does that? What was the all-time low, actually? It was like 30 cents or something.
I can't believe this guy said, "Oh, we're gonna buy 45 billion over the next 2 years," and then he like deployed 10 billion in the first 2 months.
$0.42 was the low. Stream until 100k. Let's see if we can get there.
Has he discussed like his end goal for it all?
Buy more
What is he?
Bitcoin.
What is he? Yeah, willing to achieve. Like, what's his like target and his exit strategy? Like, has he even got any of this? Like, or is he just
No,
literally
he
just
can't
buying
talk
it?
about that. Then people will just hunt him or just trap him. I don't think realistically he can never sell. He just has to hold it forever. I think his bet is just that Bitcoin just becomes, replacement of the monetary system. I'm pretty sure he owns like what 1% of the supply now.
That's pretty insane.
Yeah, he ain't ever selling. He will die with this Bitcoin.
Yeah.
He looks like he's only 59 as well. I thought he was like in his late 60s. This guy's stressed from watching the 1 minute Bitcoin chart or from all the coke that he does.
He definitely wakes up in the morning and checks the chart for sure.
Oh yeah, he
There's no
definitely
way he
bro.
doesn't do that.
Lines up, couple coke lines, sniffs them, starts T-wapping like 500 million into Bitcoin every day.
What does this company actually do?
I tried looking into that, I was like, what the fuck is MicroStrategy? And I think it's just some random tech company.
How long has he been buying for?
Buying since
7
2020
years?
now.
4 years.
Or 29. He might have bought just before the COVID crash. Or after the COVID crash, can't remember.
Bouncing pretty well. This time might actually be different, boys.
Alts are also showing some signs of life.
Yeah, but ETH's doing good. You can tell people are like, as soon as Bitcoin dips, people just pile into shorts thinking that was the generational top and they're going to catch the massive breakdown. Then we just end up squeezing and making new highs.
Aztecs, he's calling you out, bro. Tech shorted.
He's in here.
Dev's such a retard. Texas is
Oh,
going to
no.
come in and just flash like 300k P&L
Oh
from
no.
like a $5 move.
I did not long the 1 minute chart. It was the 5 minute chart, all right? And I'm in profit. It's pumping.
Yeah, show your
I'm up
size. No, did he?
0.3%. Yeah, I'm gonna flash my my $700 P&L against Texas 700k on the day.
What do we think about Bonk here?
To the moon, mate. I'm just spot long.
Bro,
Bonk and
why are
Pepe,
people
I don't really
laughing
want
that along off the 1 minute chart?
Yeah, you tell him, Pat.
How dare you?
Nah, mate, I'm still on stream. I'll check your DM after. Yeah, Pat is a posh cunt.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you
Such a
are.
lie.
You generally are. You literally cycle, rock climb, You fucking love nature and you surf. Can't get any posher than that.
Yeah, man, living the life.
Eats nature also. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever met like a poor person who's vegan.
I'm not, though, am I? Pepe is quite enticing here.
Yeah, who says enticing and it's not posh?
Adele. Yeah.
Fact. Crypto surfer knows.
Yeah, but he probably surfs in like Australia rather than fucking Brighton Beach. How can
Not
he surf
surfing
in the
Brighton
UK?
Beach. You'd be surprised, mate.
No, that's
Some of
fucking
the
grim,
waves.
man.
Can you teach me
Nah.
how to surf that?
Have you not seen that? Have you not seen that? What the sea looks like in Cornwall?
Cornwall's fucking
It's
shit,
unreal.
man. So
You got
all the
nicer sea in
all the
Cornwall.
parkies go Cornwall for holiday during half term in my school.
I can teach you how to surf in Pulse.
That sounded bare
You-
fruity.
You'll
Why'd
end
you
up,
say it
you'll,
like that?
you'll end up, you'll end up posh like me.
Yeah, Sol's gonna go for all-time high here.
Yeah, good stuff.
Nice. And it's
Costa
gonna
Rica.
finally try and
Vito
break
yeah, that
will
sounds
pump as
okay.
well.
Costa Rica sounds good, man. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
I reckon Ricky breaks the surfing board when he gets on.
Surely.
All right, send some old charts for us to look at, and then we'll close the stream out. These two just blabbering on now.
Sorry, mate. You're just shilling your fucking 40k market cap shit and logging the 1 minute chart.
That's how it goes. We're in a bull market.
BCH. You couldn't have started with a better chart, yeah? Wow, it actually wake to 540 today. That's interesting.
If big time reclaims here, it can lock in a really nice deviation. This can fly if it gets back above like 1.5 here. For the love of my bags, I hope it does.
Which coin?
Weekly.
Oh,
Big time.
You still hold that?
Mm,
I think that's the only gaming coin that has a remote chance of pumping this cycle.
yeah. I've got a bag in it. I think my entry's around. I'm actually probably underwater now because I added to it around like 0.17. I think I'm a bit under entry now, but I'm just gonna hold it. Kind of want some gaming exposure over the next couple of months.
Probably picks up near the end of the cycle, like it did last time.
Mm.
And then we get like 100x Ripper.
Yeah, on the sector front as well, like gaming's actually been one of the second performers behind memes. And it's been up there. It's like L2's memes. Let's see, 2 weeks. Memes leading. L1 gaming.
Ondo. What's Ondo at? Still a
Forever
good.
stuck at $1.
Ondo doesn't. Yeah, Ondo doesn't actually look too bad. I was.
It's been like
briefly
one of the most
listening.
underrated performers. Like on the daily, it just looks quite clean.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just grinding up.
doesn't look bad here.
.4 as well.
To get above this 106 level, 1.10 level, and it can go.
Jupiter looks quite good.
Yeah, I got some spot. Operation make on-chain great again. On-chain's been great. It's just been super rotational, to be fair, on Sol. Like once Sol breaks all-time high and it rips couple 50 to 100% higher and it starts chilling there, that's when you will get the easiest plays on-chain, in my opinion.
See you later, rookie. Shock's gonna go
Where's he
grab
going to
food.
eat?
Yeah, legit.
Also.
What does Pepe look like?
Pepe looks pretty good.
I think Pepe should go back to all-time highs in the next few days. If Eve continues to show strength, it's a free layup.
That
Did
looks
it like
good.
The hourly
Like-
looks decent.
they did a 30% retrace from the highs whilst Bitcoin. Barely
FTX to
danced.
begin distributions no later than March.
There you go. Whoever was asking me about the FTX money. Low
They're
key,
gonna
that will be such a funny top if you top out in March 2025 as soon as people get their money back.
Yeah, probably will be something like that now.
You actually did a 1000x on a coin. Do you want to send me your next one? I'm waiting.
It was a tenner. Pat can give you one, Dev.
Give us a tenner, mate. I'll have to start talking Cockney now. People don't think I'm so posh. Right?
What else do we have? Popcat. What's Popcat up to today? Sold off fairly aggressively. Yeah. I think Popcat's gonna struggle for a while. This daily.
Nice trade, man. Popcat. I haven't looked at Popcat in a while.
It kind of traded like shit. Like I think Popcat was only trading good when everything else was shit.
Yeah.
And then once all the other coins caught life, it just became like an underperformer.
I've had some limits just under $1 for ages now. Literally since the start of October, but like they're my stinkies. Like if we got like a decent drop, I think you could flush into there, but I think it's pretty unlikely. But I guess it's the point in having some stinky bids. Just in case. Mew as well. Where are my Mew bids? Damn, look at that Mew daily candle. What the fuck?
I can't trade Mew for the life of me. It's like shit. Wow.
Put one trade on Mew for like 50% and then never traded it again. That was when PopCat broke out of $1.
Cat
I mean,
coins
that's a
are the worst, man.
nice retest on the daily. Fair.
I reckon if we don't move up on soon on BTC off this 15-minute, I reckon we probably roll like 94 back to 92 maybe.
I just want Bitcoin to chill out, to be honest, and just range between what, like 94, 98k, and then alts can run. But
Yeah.
they won't give me that.
No, too easy. We call it there. Been on for just over an hour.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go on.
I feel like we
So I'm going to
discussed
wrap
a
up
decent
and
amount.
thank people.
But yeah, things are looking pretty positive now. I think at some point we'll get a decent pullback, and then you just go all in basically
Yeah.
on alts.
One of them V-shaped bounces. Could do with one of those to reset everything.
Could do with one of those. Just a little 30% in a day.
Yeah. All right, cool.
All right. See ya.
See you guys. Thanks for joining, JD. Thanks for joining, Pat. I'll see you
No
guys
worries, bro.
next week.
Bye.
Hope you have a
Take
good
care.
day.
Bye-bye.
See you later.